Morning mga kaonggoy. Today I'm so very happy because I found in the small market in there in the Monwalk. Well, I tried to go there in the market in this side, but I thinking here it's so near here and it what is I found there. Look at that, huh? Egg. I buy egg and then I found a fish there. I buy fish and I made for paksiw. I show you guys how I make paksiw. Look at that. See? Oh wow. Oh my god. Amazing. Tagal-tagal na akong nagstay dito pero ngayon ko lang nalaman na mayroon palang doon palengke kaya doon ako bumibili. At naglakad lang pabalik dito. Ang lapit-lapit lang pala. Yung, di ba the other day na nag-vlog ako, sabi ko, ayaw ko ng pagkain dun sa my side. Ang murahin lang kaso yung lasa hindi po masarap. Kaya I made my own. I buy there and I cook here. Oh, happy na yung unggoy ngayon. So, bye!